Hi everybody, this is Tiffany from Tuxera. I'm here to walk you through the Tuxera NTFS for Mac installation. Tuxera NTFS for Mac lets you save, open, edit, delete, and move files stored on Windows formatted drives on your Mac. Our software works on Mac OS High Sierra and all previous OS X versions. Let's get started. First, go to tuxera.com. Click to download NTFS for Mac. You can try Tuxera NTFS for Mac free for 15 days. Click Download to get it. Enter your email if you want news and updates about the software. Then, click Download and subscribe. The download automatically begins after a few seconds. Next, go to your Downloads folder and open the Tuxera NTFS for Mac package. You'll find the installer and a user manual. Double-click on the installer to begin. Depending on your Mac's security settings, you may see a dialog asking if you're sure you want to open the installer. Go ahead and click Open. A new dialog will inform you about the installation. Click Continue. Then Continue again. Review the software license agreement. Once you're done reading, click Continue, then Agree. Next, click Install. Enter your Mac user password to allow the installation. Then click Install software to start. If you're using the 15-day free trial, go ahead and click Continue. If you previously installed Tuxera NTFS for Mac, select Registered Version and enter the product registration key you received from us. When ready, click Continue. Enter your Mac user password again and click OK to allow the installation. Next, you need to approve the kernel extension. Even though it's blocked by default, approving the extension won't harm your Mac, and it's necessary to install and run the application. So, click Open Security Preferences. Unlock your security and privacy preferences. Click Allow at the line with Tuxera Inc. Then, restart your Mac to complete the installation. And we're done. Now you'll be able to use Windows NTFS formatted drives on your Mac. To learn more about using Tuxera NTFS for Mac, check out our other tutorials. And if you have any other questions, be sure to drop us a line by email or on Twitter.